Hi, this is Paolo, EMEA Sales Manager here at SA Media. 2020 will be remembered as the year where we launched YES, our new end-to-end multi-platform and multi-database software suite. In this video, we'll talk about one of our most important installations of 2020, Telekom Serbia, a major player in the region, managing the programming of ArenaSport, which broadcasts main events such as Serie A, Champions League, Europa League, EHF and NBA, among many others. Telekom Serbia also broadcasts touring promotion contents with the Balkantrip thematic channel. The workflow proposed is based on our new platform YES, and the deployed system includes automation, scheduling, baseband ingest recording, and media asset management. Have a look to the workflow. The automation for 13 main channels and 5 backups controls 6 harmonic VX6 video servers, while the ingest is managed using Matrox video boards. All the backend services are installed in a virtual environment, while YES character generator controls graphics within the harmonic servers. This project has been deployed together with SA Media long-time partner and system integrator Terra Adriatic from Belgrade, with which we had already delivered and worked for an automation system at the National Television of Montenegro, RTCG, in 2019. For any inquiry, drop us a message on our website link or through our socials.